Hi, welcome. We are in Vienna. It's my first time here actually. I've never been to Austria, and this is actually my first time abroad in many years and first time solo. So I was nervous this morning especially, but once I got on the train I felt a lot better. Although when I got to Vienna actually I was kind of like running around trying to figure out a few things, especially like the Vienna city card, I think it's called. Basically I just bought like one ticket for 48 hours and I can use any means of transport in the city, which is amazing. But I was kind of like struggling to find that, but I did, and everything went great, and I didn't get lost in the city while getting to the room that I'm in. Yeah, everything is great except for the fact that I'm actually exhausted. I woke up at 2 a.m. today to make it to the train, and I was in the train for 5 hours, and basically I've been awake for like 13 hours now. It's 3 p.m, getting closer to 4 p.m. actually. I would have talked to you a bit sooner, but I had a bit of work to do, a little bit unexpected. But now I am planning to get out of here and just stroll around because I don't have the energy to, like, I don't know, just go somewhere that's far away from here. So I think I'm just gonna like stroll around. There is a park nearby, I think, and I found already like a shop with like Korean things. I mean like a typical groceries and stuff, like all the ramen, some ice creams and stuff. Something that we don't really have near me in Poland. Might be in the bigger cities, but well, not anywhere where I live. So I'm going to go there, and I should grab something to eat for dinner, but I'm not sure what that's gonna be yet. So yes, we are just going to stroll around today and just like see how the city lives, I guess. If you hear any noises, it is because the room is right next to the road on the ground floor. Yeah, that's my only complaint. I would love to be like a bit higher, but that's okay. We have a bit more fun day tomorrow. I will be probably out and about for the whole day, which is exciting, especially since it's my 21st birthday tomorrow. Yeah, and this is just basically like a big birthday gift to myself. Yeah, I'm very happy, and even though I am exhausted, I am also excited. So let's head out. I walked around like 10 kilometers, I think. Wow, that sounded so American. Yeah, I walked quite a lot today. and I'm tired, although like it's not even sunset and it's like around 7. Yes, it is 7 p.m. but I'm hungry and I'm tired and I bought a few things, so I'm gonna do a quick haul of what I bought and then I'm gonna eat, maybe read a book or watch something and just go to bed. That is my plan for the evening. Good morning, happy birthday to me. I'm all ready for the day and we are going to the F1 exhibition right now, and I kind of thought that I'm gonna have a little bit more time, but I guess I just took things a little bit too slowly today. Which is fine. I had a very chilled morning and overall I'm happy with how it went. So yeah, time to head out now. Little outfit of the day. Yeah, I'm gonna grab my jacket because it was windy and like my stomach is out, so like I don't want to be cold. Now I'm ready to go, so let's get out. Oh, please. Checking in quickly, hope you can hear me, but I'm so surprised positively with the public transport in Vienna. It's so amazing and like I'm not as confused as I am sometimes in big cities in Poland, so a big plus. And I'm a few minutes away from the F1 exhibition, so I'm getting excited.
Umsteigen zu 77a, 79a.
Quick catch up. I'm resting now because honestly I didn't think that going through the F1 exhibition would take me such a long time, and I honestly, like, I did a speed run of like the last 2 or 3 rooms because I was starting to feel overstimulated, lightheaded, and like I was about to pass out. And probably because I only ate quite a light breakfast and I didn't drink enough water and I had nothing on me, so I was trying to rush back to the apartment and to my room, and I just basically drank the whole bottle of water. And because I still have nothing to eat, I'm just drinking this coconut drink that I bought in the Korean store yesterday, because it has quite a lot of sugar in it, so I'm hoping that will do something. The exhibition was amazing, probably the best exhibition I've ever been on, and I'm a little bit sad that I didn't get to enjoy it fully because I was just not feeling that well at the end. But the first few rooms, especially the ones with like the history of the sport, I took away some new knowledge that I have never heard of before, especially about like racing before World War II, kind of like how it started, why it was the way it was and stuff. So like overall I enjoyed it so much, and like I was there for like 3 hours, and the last half an hour I was like speed running through the rest of the exhibition, but I could stay there for probably another like 2 hours if I wasn't feeling that bad. But I'm okay now, nothing to worry about. Yeah, I'm just gonna sit here for a few more minutes and then I think I'm gonna head out, eat something and walk around more, see more things. And I also wanna get a croissant, or like however you say that. Yeah, I want to get some dessert and I know exactly where I want to go. So we still have quite a long day ahead of us, but yeah, I'm excited. Hi, it's my last morning here and I'm actually just getting ready and like packing my suitcase and taking everything away. It's been a lovely trip, and maybe it's not like the conventional one where you go to a new city and you basically see all the museums and all the popular places, like touristy places. And I did a bit of that yesterday probably, but this trip was purely for me, for my birthday, as a birthday gift to myself. And like the most important plan on my schedule was the F1 exhibition, and I did that, and that was amazing. Yeah, the F1 exhibition was my main goal, and everything else was just like icing on the cake, I guess. I'm not gonna have a lot of time today to walk around, and also I will be with my suitcase because I can't really be bothered to find a locker only for like 3 hours. So I was like, okay, like I'm gonna walk with it. It's not big and it's not gonna bother me that much. My plan is, it's currently like past 9 a.m. I need to be out of here by 10 a.m. So I'm gonna just pack the rest of the things and head out soon. I'm gonna go to like where the Belvedere Palace is. I'm gonna walk around. I don't know if I will get into the park because I'm pretty sure there's only like gravel there, and with a suitcase it might be a bit bothersome, but we will see. I just wanna see the place actually. I wanted to go to a cafe where they sell Japanese cheesecakes, but they are not open yet, and yeah, I just wouldn't make it basically. So I'm gonna find a cafe kind of more like near the train station and the palace, and we'll just see what happens basically. This might be the last time that I'm actually like speaking to you, so I just wanted to reflect a bit, I guess, on a whole trip, as this was a gift to myself, a birthday gift to myself, yes, definitely, but also kind of like a test, I guess. I wanted to see how I would react when I put myself in kind of like outside my comfort zone, maybe. Although I feel like traveling alone is still like within my comfort zone. Traveling abroad was the thing that I was a bit nervous about, but well, I know that I can make it now. And that's amazing. That's really good. I'm really proud of myself, even though it felt weird at times speaking to everyone in English, or like hearing different languages, and you know, seeing just like signs on the road or like shops and everything being in a completely different language that I don't know because I only know like basics of German from primary school. It was a very fun experience, and well, this was like a baby step towards me traveling alone, and yeah, I know that I can do it. So now many more adventures to come in the future. I don't have anything planned yet, but yeah, we will see what life brings my way, I guess. Yeah, I'm gonna pack all the things now and get ready to head back home. Oh, actually, one more thing. I took a break from distracting myself with social media and things. I have not spent that much time on my phone. I mean, I did spend time on my phone, mostly on Google Maps, just to, you know, not get lost in a completely different country. But other than that, I've been texting with a few of my friends, you know, replying to birthday wishes and stuff, calling my mom, yeah. But other than that, I spent a little bit of time on Instagram, a little bit of time on Twitter, and I did watch YouTube, but only yesterday. I pretty much every day watch YouTube while I eat breakfast, but today I was like, no, just let me read a book actually. And I did. I finished the second book in the Lunar Chronicles, Scarlet, and I started the third book, which is Cress. So that's exciting. I'm gonna read that on my train ride home. I have not listened to music while being out in the city. This is something that I would normally do. Like whenever I head out of the house, I have earphones and like I listen to music, and I decided not to because like I'm in a completely new environment. Like I want to hear people speak and I want to hear what's happening around me. So I decided not to. Yeah, it was very eye-opening kind of. at how much time I'm actually spent distracting myself. If it is just purely on social media, watching something, listening to something. Yeah, I needed that. I needed a break, basically. So now I'm gonna slowly head back around to like the area around the train station and just enjoy my last hours in Austria. It's exciting, very exciting. But okay, I need to get ready to head out of here. So thank you for watching. This is not the end of the video yet. There's probably a little bit more to come, but that's probably the last time that I'm like speaking to you like this. So thank you for being here. Thank you for watching this vlog. This is my first travel vlog. Many more travel vlogs to come in the future, definitely. And I need to go now.